Hello and welcome to my training. So today I'm going to show you how to insert tick boxes onto the spreadsheet so that you can use it as an attendance list. So to do that, you need to be in your drive, and in your drive you are going to click on the plus sign for new, and then you're going to scroll on down to sheets, and then over to the right you will then insert a blank sheet. Right? Click on that. Now, for the purpose of this training and to give you some context, I have created a sheet that looks similar to an attendance list. So to insert the tick box, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the cell where you need the tick box to be. You go up to your menu, click on Insert, go on down to Tick Box, click on that, and then just like that, a tick box is going to be inserted for you. The tick boxes are active, so if you click on them, it's going to show you a tick, and click on again, it's going to go blank. You could then copy this down. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on the fill handle, which is a little blue square, click with your mouse, drag on down, and it's going to autofill the cells for you. You could change the color if you want to be creative, but that's as simple as it gets. Right. Hope you learned something new. Hope you enjoy using your tick boxes.